Good.
This is just gonna be one without the actors in it, so.
That moon looks sick. You should get that moon.
Yeah, I'll film it.
Alright, go. Oh. Explode it? Yo, it's not focused though.
Did you just say doctor? Got that.
Oh yeah.
I poured this one in my eye. One of those poured in my eye. Oh, dude. I'm gonna force this in my eye. Don't like, whoa.
Bro, look at that. What the? Okay. Alright guys, kind of lost my voice after all that screaming. But, so yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do a walkthrough with the lights on and just show you all the things that we did this year. So let's go. This scene is falling apart. People like ran into this wall. Yeah, that light looks really cool. Now I couldn't get the TV to work this year. So it just says Sony DVD.
Static. No, it's not gonna be static.
Yeah, and then, yeah, we had this prop. you could turn it on and it would.
That thing actually scared the crap out of me first time.
It honestly does. Yeah, dude, it's just.
It comes like.
You don't expect it.
I didn't expect it. I thought this was actually like glass. I didn't even touch it. I just like.
Yeah, dude, it's crazy. But yeah, that prop was going. You know, we just have some stuff on the table right here. You know,
This is the same
looks like
crappy little
produce
thing like
packaging.
before.
Out here is a really good prop. We have the zombie window. This was really cool. It is a bit lopsided, I guess, but yeah. And then this
That one's not
guy.
working.
Yeah, you can step on that. This guy kind of fell apart. As you can see, his arm fell off.
What the?
And his hands kept on falling off, so next year I'll have to
Is
secure
that guy
that.
someone like was hitting him or whatever?
Yeah, everyone's like kicking. I honestly found one of the hands like in there. I was like, what's
I put
happening?
his hand back on like 8 times.
Yeah, and then this room turned out really good this year. It was actually extremely
The fog
tricky.
machine, like you don't see the fog right now.
You
It's
couldn't
all
even
off,
see
but
it in here.
I think, yeah, I did a
the
walkthrough
fog
with
you
it all,
can like
and
you can see like up
holy,
like 6 inches in front of you.
it was about to give me a migraine. Like you could probably see, not even to my hand. So I would stand here with the saw and just intimidate people, and then all of a sudden I would shake that rattle box and scare them. It was a really, really good scare there. And then over here, this was like basically just pitch black, and then we had the strobe lights going, and I put some spider webs up here. These chains worked out really well. This guy put up in the spider web. Yeah, and then I don't think you guys have seen this year.
Oh crap, we don't have the crowbar. There's a crowbar attached to this thing.
Yeah, it was the spark
supply.
fence.
And we just like whack this and it would create sparks and stuff.
That was a really cool effect. You just
But with
jump
the
out.
fog, I would stand over here and like wait for people. I'd like see your shadow come by when I need that.
Yeah.
Just whack it.
It actually scared a few
Oh my
people.
god, look,
And
I've whacked these so many times. Look at this. Go inside.
yeah, this light, we turned this light off. I usually have it on. Here, 1 second. I usually have it on, but it kind of illuminated this way too much, so we turned it off. And I got a dog in here. All right. So next was this guy. Now this was a really cool prop. One of the things I would do with this is just act like I'm sawing it. I'll come out here and just act like I'm sawing his torso off. Yeah, again, the hands
that
kept
turned
on
out really
falling
good.
off.
That
And
turned
yeah.
out really good though. I like that.
Yeah, this looked awesome. It was super dark. We just had one light on this thing, so
The fog would get so intense in this room.
Yeah.
There's this one point where you can't even see like you look here and you can't even see that.
yeah. That prop over there was like in the distance. It looked
You
really
can't even see
dope.
that prop room.
Yeah. So this area turned out really good, and especially with that prop. So yeah, that's about it. We did have a bunch of people like try to come in through this entrance, so maybe we'll have to define that next year. But yeah, we had a fire, and surprisingly there was quite a few people that came through despite it being COVID. So yeah, we had maybe 100, 200 people, I think, maybe even more than that came through. So very successful year. And yeah, that's about it. Stay tuned. Well, I would take this down. That's probably gonna be the next video. Yeah, we could probably do a time lapse on that. So yeah.